Hi folks, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be setting the clock in a 2014 through to 2015 Mazda 3 Type A info system. So to get it into the clock set mode, we press and hold the clock button for 2 seconds until it beeps. We've got the H and the M here, so we press the H to rotate the hours to the hours that we want, and then the M to get it to the minutes that we want. And when it's on the minutes that we want, we press the clock button again to set that clock. Now, if we wanted to go to the nearest hour, back in the clock set mode, we can just press this 00 button here, and you can see it sets to the nearest hour. So there you go, folks. That's how to set the clock in your Mazda 3. And if you have liked the video, do remember to like the video. If you're interested in other how-to videos on the Mazda 3 in the future, do remember to hit that subscribe button. But until next time, have a good evening.